So, all right, cool. So, morning, pagi, morning, everyone. So today's topic will be mainly clearing pasal direction, and direction. So it is very, very important untuk fahamkan direction as a trader. So the issue is the one that I've noticed so much in particular dalam group ni is that bila you guys you guys are good at understanding TS timing sequence, you yang dah faham pasal algo whatever it is, but then you guys tend to forget topic yang the most simplest topic, which is basically on market structure. Sebab kena faham at the end of the day, regardless apa-apa yang you guys pakai pun, whatever it is, the timing sequence is in relations to market structure. Let me accept our brother. Yep. Alright, cool. So, alright. So, regardless whatever it is, so today we are going to be talking about market structure. So, what is market structure? So, market structure is basically understanding direction, arah market. Market ni dia nak pergi ke mana dan nak buat apa. Basically memahami trend. So persoalan bila kita nak cakap pasal trend, at which time frame kita nak focus on? Alright. So number one, very important untuk you guys focus on the monthly time frame. So basically, let's accept our brother. Admit all lah. Yeah. Admit all. Alright, cool. So when we are talking about market structure, it can lie within two. Number one, which is uptrend, and number two adalah downtrend. So sekarang ni persoalannya, bila kita nak cerita pasal uptrend. Okay. So it should look something like this. This is an uptrend, and this is a downtrend. This is back to its basic lah, yeah. So sebagai trader, it is very important for you to cover the basics. Okay? Orang selalu kata basic is advanced, basic is advanced. Yes, it's true. Okay, so now kita just nak run through. So basically at this point of the market, inilah kita akan call as lower low. Okay, at this point of the market, kita akan panggil sebagai high high. So at this point on the market, kita akan panggil sebagai low high. And at this point of the market, kita akan panggil sebagai high high. Okay, so to run this through you, saya dah ulang ni terlampau banyak kali, so you guys should understand as well. So basic, simple, lower low to higher high, we understand that there ada buyer. Okay, buyer dah masuk. So persoalannya kita nak tanya buyer ni masuk bila, buyer ni dah masuk bila. So very simple. Lower low to higher high, basically buyer dah masuk. So you understand it's uptrend, you nak panggil bullish ke. As long as you faham what is going on, okay, that's good enough. Okay, so very simple. Bila market is in this situation, we have to focus on buying. So bila you have to focus on buying, jangan nak entry dulu, jangan nak gelabah, jangan nak you have to be relaxed. Kena relax. Okay, market dah bagi arah. It's okay, don't worry. Tunggu market buat this one thing that is called pull back. Okay, so at pull back to lower high, barulah kita entry. So selama ni bila you guys dah belajar pasal TS, timing sequence and etc., faham tak konsep yang kenapa saya selalu cakapkan yang very important untuk confirmation for timing sequence adalah dia kena buat one breakout, sideways, pullback, baru entry. Does it make sense to anyone bila kita relate it back dengan structure? Dia ada correlation tak? Ataupun confluence lah, terpulang lah mana-mana, correlation ke, confluence ke. Does it make sense yang dia kena breakout, sideways, pullback, entry? Make sense tak? Okay, I just want some response from you guys. Hello? Okay. The rest? Hmm. Okay, so cool. So, all right, cool. Okay, so now going back to the lower time, downtrend structure. Same thing, tapi dia just reverse saja. So basically, ni adalah point paling tinggi, which is higher high. Okay, and this point adalah kita panggil sebagai lower low. Alright, so at this point kita boleh panggil dia sebagai higher low, high yang rendah. Okay, dia tetap high tapi high yang rendah, higher low, and this point adalah sebagai lower low. Okay, so very simple and very easy for everyone out there untuk kita fahamkan. So number one, higher high to lower low, market dah indicate that ada seller. So bila ada seller, apa yang kita kena buat? Tunggu market buat one pullback. Kalau kita relate kepada TS or timing sequence, same thing, breakout, sideways, pullback, confirmation of entry. So basically you have to understand bila market tengah buy, market tengah buat uptrend or buyer dah masuk, focus on the area of lower high. Area of lower high adalah area di mana kita nak entry buy. So bila market tengah buat higher high to lower low, focus on sell. Tapi kita nak sell dekat mana? Kita nak sell dekat area of higher low. Okay? So far everyone clear with this? Everyone clear with the basic? Semua okay with the basic? Alright. Okay. Good. Okay, now persoalannya, which is okay, siapa nak ambil screenshot of this picture or whatever it is, okay, dipersilakan. Okay, just repeat back to basic lah. Tapi don't worry, I dah record this whole thing. Okay, I dah record this whole thing. Okay, so now let's remove this. Now kita, okay, we just leave this here. Kita just nak look straight to the charts. Okay, so basically, very simple and very easy. Okay, let's say okay, 2004. But now we're looking on candlestick. So when you not look on candlestick, you nak base back on this theory, which looks like a line. They kata, oh, how do I identify mana the area of the structure ni? Okay. So it's very difficult. But why? Kadang-kadang I can get very confused with this shadow. Mana shadow? So how? Okay. So what you do is kita tukar kepada line chart terus. So it's very simple. Bila you tukar kepada line chart ni, you're able to understand. I remove this first. Okay, so bila you tukar ke line chart ni, you basically boleh nampak dia punya movement of just price itself. Okay, so let's take a prime example daripada sini. Ambil this one, this whole structure kecil. Okay, this is a beautiful structure. Okay, so you guys have to bear in mind, structure ni kadang-kadang dia tak akan look perfect to the naked eye. Macam ni yang you tengok. Mana dia punya bucu mana so this is why kadang-kadang I advise you guys to only trade a certain pair that you guys familiar on, sebab this certain pair ni dia punya reaction towards price is very different. Kadang-kadang you tak akan nampak on monthly, but you akan nampak clear on daily. So itulah reason saya kata you tak payah nak trade semua pair, you trade certain numbers of pair yang you are familiarized with. Okay, so now let's masuk to this area here. Okay, 2013 punya area here. Okay, very simple. 2013 kita just buatlah sampai all the way until bawah sini. Alright, clear guys Okay, so daripada sini what can we identify? Oh wow, this is the area of lower low. So bila lower low, and here adalah high high. What does it identify? Oh, kita kena buy. So clearly apa yang you dapat identify adalah at lower high you have to buy. Okay, so they just repetitive Oh, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. All of a sudden nak tahu cara reversal of market from this lower high okay, let's say kita just identify here lah. Ini sebagai lower high. This area kecil that's lower high. And this is kita punya high high. So persoalan reversal adalah daripada kita punya previous structural lower high. Oh, Sergio. Hi, Sergio. Okay, so basically from kita punya previous structural lower high, tiba-tiba sini dia buat one new lower low. Okay guys, kita refresh and recap. Bila market dah buat one new lower low daripada yang belakang ni betul-betul lower high, tiba-tiba dia buat one new lower low. Kat sini market dah identify apa? What does the market identify kat kita? Market identify apa here? Sini, here to here. Seller masuk, alright, betul, reversal, betul. Okay, so kita kena entry dekat higher low untuk sell. Okay guys, sekarang ni I want you guys to be a bit creative, a bit creative in the sense bila you nak relate this area to timing sequence TS. Alright. So, jawapan dia very simple, very simple. Mungkin dekat this area of higher low, kenapa market boleh terus tembus? Okay, kita ambil example this line here. Okay, mungkin this area ada formation of timing sequence fail. Fail, tembus. Maka entry lah kita. So, benda tu jadi macam make sense tak bila kita relatekan kepada TS ni? Kenapa saya kata TS ni very important untuk ada 3 confirmation tu, which is breakout, sideways, pullback. Breakout, sideways, pullback. So, yeah. Okay. So, does it make sense tak? Kadang-kadang benda ni, kenapa dia boleh berlaku? Kenapa dia boleh berlaku? Kenapa dia boleh berlaku? And then we want to speak dekat area sini pula. Oh, mungkin tiba-tiba sini ada formation of timing sequence buy. Bila sekejap ya. Kenapa semua kena ini Nampak? Alright. So, mungkin sini adalah formation of timing sequence buy. Alright, kat sini. Okay, timing sequence buy. Sini pun ada timing sequence buy. Sini pun ada timing sequence buy. Allahu. Sekejap ya guys. Kan bagus sebenarnya ni ramai yang masuk. Okay, cool. So, bila saya explain macam ni, formation of, okay, bila nak ada reversal ni, potentialnya adalah formation timing sequence fail. Make sense tak? Masuk akal ke guys? Ya, memerlukan respon sikit untuk saya move forward. Logic Okay, so now, okay, kita dah settle with this part. Okay, kita dah settle with this part. Okay, so now, persoalan dia adalah kita nak masuk kepada multi-time frame market structure. Okay, and inform today punya class is not going to be long sebab topik market structure ni very simple. Tapi saya nak open your eyes correlation market structure ni dengan timing sequence. Correlation market structure dengan timing sequence. Nanti benda tu korang akan faham sendiri. So, now let's just say lah, okay, kita ambil current market situation right now. Kita ambil current market situation. Current market situation dia dah buat apa? Dia dah buat low-low kan? Adakah dia buat low-low? Untuk Euro USD kat sini. Low-low kan? Dia buat low-low kan? Okay. Okay, dia dah buat low-low. Okay. So, this is on the monthly time frame. So, bila multi time frame ni, saya akan keluarkan satu lagi chart Euro USD also. Okay. This is on the monthly time frame. So, bila sini pula, apa yang saya akan buat? Saya akan tukar ke line chart as well. Let's say, tukarkan ke line chart. Let's say line. Okay. So, now, we dah fully understand dekat monthly macam ni. So, now we filter to 1 week first. So bila 1 week ni, apa yang kita dapat identify also from here? Oh wow, market dah buat satu lower low kat sini. So bila lower low kat sini, sini adalah higher low. Okay, higher low. Okay, high low meaning kita kena focus on selling. Okay, let's say dah 1 week, kita filter pula 1 day. Kita nak cari pinnacle point entry tu Okay, sini. Nampak tak? Kita punya previous higher high kat sini kan? Nampak tak? Walaupun dekat daily, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, higher low kita tak beat previous higher low sini. So, make sense tak untuk kita masih sell? Benda tu dia jadi masuk akal tak? Make sense. So, bagi saya, okay, siapa yang masuk lambat ni minta maaf, saya tak ulang-ulang. Okay, so the number one rule is bila kita look on monthly, kita just nak focus on big picture direction. Meaning dah lower low, higher low. So, sebenarnya kita kena focus on sell. However, saya faham kenapa saya nak buy Euro USD. Ni very simple je. Sebab dia dah lower low, mesti dia kena buat higher low balik kan? Betul tak? Siapa yang setuju dengan saya? Dia dah low low, dia kena buat high low tak? Adakah market ni perlu buat high low? Okay. So, bila dia nak kena buat high low ni, this is where kita pakai kita punya filtration process, which is timing sequence, algo, level 500, 1289. So, this is where it comes in. Kita dapat identify turning point of the market. So, bila dah dekat high low, let's say sini 1 day. Kita akan filter ke 4 hour. Kita tengok 4 hour punya pun sama ke tak? Okay. So, kalau 4 hour, okay, sepatutnya area-nya dekat sini ya, kalau based on 1 day, tetapi area yang sebenarnya kalau kita tengok based on market structure yang sepatutnya kita betul-betul sell adalah dekat ada record. Adalah sebenarnya dekat area sini. Okay. Dekat area sini. Sepatutnya kita betul-betul sell. Okay. Sekarang ni, cuba korang be kreatif. Kenapa saya cakap sini yang area sepatutnya kita sell? Okay. Yang dalam kotak tadi kan, dia masuk balik dalam kotak monthly tu. Kenapa sini adalah area yang kita sell? Okay. Kan saya cakap, bila nak entry, kena ada konsep breakout, sideways, pullback. Cukup ke tak ni? Breakout, kita kreatif sikit buat ni 4 hour. Mungkin 1 jam nampak sideways. Breakout, sideways, pullback. Make sense tak? Kenapa saya terlampau emphasizekan untuk the concept of breakout, sideways, pullback. Breakout, sideways, pullback. So let's say kita masuk ke 1 hour. 1 hour, beautiful. Breakout, sideways, pullback, boom, entry. Make sense tak guys? Tapi saya just nak inform to you guys, bila you guys look dekat time frame 1 hour, dia akan ada terlampau banyak structure kecil-kecil ni yang don't make sense. So bagi saya, bila dia dah terlampau banyak movement atau structure, yalah kalau kita tengok kat 1 hour kan, oh sini dah high, sepatutnya sini buy, sepatutnya kena sell. So tu yang saya cakap, very important untuk you guys basekan balik kepada bigger time frame. But small time frame ni kadang-kadang dia ada different story, different perjalanan cerita. So very important untuk you guys just take note yang okay, breakout sideways pullback, very beautiful. You boleh notice on the on the 1 hour time frame. So maka dekat sini, situlah kita entry. So does it make sense that you guys cara kita nak guna multi time frame ni sekarang? Masuk akal ke? Make sense ke kita punya cara penggunaan multi time frame market structure ni? Tadi saya dah touch on market structure, sekarang kita masuk multi time frame market structure. So let's say lah sekarang ni kita dapat identify apa? Kenapa saya kata saya nak buy EU ni? Okay, simple. Breakout, sideways, pullback. Setuju tak? How do I split the screen? I have a pro account. My TradingView is a pro account, so I am able to do 2 screens. So, maka macam ni je lah. sebenarnya market structure ni simple je. Sebenarnya trading ni very simple. Bila sebab tu saya tak nak terlampau terkejar-kejar sangat untuk completekan. Okay, ajar topik tu betul tapi terlalu get into detail. But reason being saya nak you guys have the gambaran dulu, dah able to understand trade, dah boleh make a bit of profit, baru kita get betul-betul in detail, kita explain one by one. Kenapa saya ajar market structure? Apa kena-mengena market structure ni dengan timing sequence? Apa kena-mengena market structure ni dengan algo? Apa kena-mengena market structure ni dengan area? So, dia punya ibu kepada segala yang saya mengajar ni tetap kepada market structure. Sebab kenapa? Confirmation TS pun dia kena buat satu high-high, kena buat low-low, which is balik pada market structure. So, macam tu je lah. So, okay, let's kita filter through one last pair, which is GBP, mesti GBP USD lah. Okay, alright. Cool. So, bila kita tengok dekat monthly, kita dah understand kita punya previous lower high dekat sini. Okay, ni adalah previous lower high kita. Okay, previous lower high saya tandakan dulu. Ni, so this is your area sini adalah kita punya lower high. Okay, mana yang tak mute tu? Okay, terima kasih. Okay, lower high, and this is your area of low. Okay, so sekarang ni cuba kita imagine. Okay, ada tak, kita imagine dulu balik kepada TS oh mungkin this area market dah buat satu TS fail. Dia dah terus tembus. Okay, dia terus tembus. So sekarang ni kalau confirmation dekat monthly, apa yang dia kena buat? Which is dia kena side breakout, sideway, pullback. So mungkin kita punya, sebab ni kita punya previous high. Okay, ni kita punya previous high Ni kita punya previous high. So we understand daripada lower high ni dia kena buat higher low tak? So mungkin sini adalah area of potential higher low. So this is di mana kita use kita punya power of imaginasi untuk kita try to figure out, try to understand the picture of this pair. Macam ni je, simple je, not very hard. So let's say kita filter kepada one day terus ni, one day. Okay, smoking ni tak, saya nak remove sekejap Saya nak remove drawing. Okay, saya remove drawing So tadi kita ada tanda kat sini. Area. Alright, cool. So kebiasaannya TS fail saya nak take note Take note based on market structure, formulation atau tempat atau area formation TS fail ni kebiasaannya berlaku di area breakout. Okay, take note, di area breakout adalah yang clean candle, breakout clean. Kebiasaannya di area breakout clean ni adalah di mana formation akan market akan form area of TS fail. Okay, so sini pun kita nampak dekat monthly breakout, clean breakout. Dekat daily pun kita nampak tak clean breakout ni guys? Nampak kan? Okay, clean breakout. So pun sama make sense. Dia dah buat lower low. Okay? So sekarang ni dia nak formation ke higher low. So kat sini So saya target price akan patah balik ke sini. Let's say kita filter ke 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour kita nampak tak? Perfect, beautiful tak? Breakout. And then here ada formation of sideway. Bila sideway, market kena buat apa? After sideway, this is kita punya strongest confirmation. Dah sideway, tunggu market buat satu pullback. Okay. Very simple and very easy. So, sama je macam konsep yang kecil sini. Breakout, sideway, pullback. Okay. Breakout, sideway, pullback based on structure. So, maka dekat sini dia pun kena completekan dia punya perjalanan kedua, which is untuk berjumpa di atas sini sebelum kita teruskan untuk sell. Macam tu je for today. Not hard. Ingat kita kena always focus. Monthly adalah kita punya primary direction. Kita fahamkan, oh dekat sini dia dah break previous lower high. So lower low. Okay, kat mana ni sekarang ni market ni? Dia nak gimana pula? Dia nak buat high low. So ni previous high. okey, mungkin area breakout ni kebiasaannya adalah area TS fail. TS fail ni kebiasaannya market akan buat formation of structural structural area. Ramai ni yang baru join. Kepada yang baru join, saya je nak inform sebenarnya kelas dah nak habis sebenarnya. Tapi tak apa, saya dah record, jadi saya akan upload. So macam tu je lah. So far semua faham ke bab ni? Today punya class very simple, very easy. Tak nak get into detail sebab saya dah memang I dah look through, saya dah go with my notes. Saya try explain to you guys dengan the most simplest explanation. Saya nak make sure topik by topik tu dia make sense, ada perjalanan cerita dia. Saya tak nak buat bukan saya nak kata apa, but then most of the people bila dia mengajar SNR, trendline, SND and sebagainya lah, dia kadang-kadang dia tak boleh nak dapat mencari jawapan. So to me, the best option dengan apa saya ajar, I want you guys to fully understand the storyline, dia punya from A to point B. Ya, tak apa bro kurang faham sebab baru masuk. So macam tu je lah guys for today. Thank you very much. So style webinar now, saya akan straight to the point. Sesi soal temu bual tu kita akan buat nanti. So saya just nak straight to the point. Kita pun singkatkan masa. We keep that level of orang kata focus timing tu. Sebab manusia dia ada limitation. So saya akan use that bukan focus time, level of attention yang seorang tu boleh bagi. So kita use that very wisely. So apa yang saya ajar ni korang dapat absorb. Macam tu je lah. Explanation pun saya akan bagi dalam 2-3, macam hari ni saya bagi 2 saja. So nonetheless, it's very simple, it's very easy. Simple tak guys? Simple ke? Simple tak? Itulah persoalan saya. Simple tak? So from now, setelah apa yang korang video dah tengok, apa benda semua ni, dia jadi make sense tak? Apa yang topik-topik yang saya mengajar, apa semua tu, kenapa market structure, macam mana formation, area, macam mana kita nak identify. Macam tu je. So it's very important untuk you guys, okay, number one, benda tu kena make sense. Number two adalah benda tu, ni adalah filtration multi-time frame. Sebab kadang-kadang isu dia bila kita nak pakai benda yang perkara biasa, macam trendline apa semua ni, bila kita lukis trendline dekat monthly, tiba-tiba tukar time frame lain, dia dah terlari. So persoalan ni bila benda macam tu, isu dia sebab saya tak pandai buat trendline. So saya pun no idea lah dia punya validation atau confirmation. So nonetheless guys, itu je lah for today. So kita dah cover 2 topik. Ada yang baru nak join, sudah. Sama-sama. You pandai dah belajar BM my bro. Welcome. So today we have fully covered the first 2 topic, which is I just run through here. Berapa orang yang dah masuk sini? So okay, attendance, saya nak take attendance ya. So attendance 20 people. 20 people. Yes bro, saya buat journal kat dalam ni. Notion best, saya suka. Notion very simple. Notion best. So buat journal dalam Notion juga ke? Senang. Ini takat journaling ni sendiri boleh, mana-mana je. So the outcome for today, okay, so I just want to be transparent with you guys. So the outcome for today is fully understanding the basic, ataupun kita panggil sebagai core. Okay. So ni pun samalah bawah ni . Zero. So itu je lah guys. So thank you very much for attending today. I hope this is beneficial for you guys. I hope daripada sekarang ni dia make sense. Kita nak benda tu make sense. Macam tu je. Tak nak too complicated. Kalau you guys tengok explanation ni very simple, and trading should be very simple. So macam tu je lah guys. Saya pun tekan butang stop recording. Mana stop recording?